In this video, I will show you how to enable dataLayer on Shopify. First, log into your Shopify store. Then go to Google Tag Manager account. Now click on GTM ID. Now copy the code and go to Shopify store. Click on Online Store. Then select Themes. Then scroll down and click on three dots and select Edit Code. Now click on Theme Liquid. Now paste the code in the head section. Now click on Save. Now scroll down and click on Snippet. Then click on Add a new snippet. Then go to my website to get the code. This is my website. You will get all codes from here. I will give the link of this website in the description box. Copy Ultimate dataLayer and go to Shopify store and paste here. Then click on Done. Now copy the code from my website. This is the code that you have to copy. Then paste here. Then click on Save. Then go to Theme Liquid. Then go to my website. Copy this code and paste it in the head section. Then click on Save. Then click on Exit. Now scroll down and click on Settings. Now scroll down and click on Customer Events. Now click on Add Custom Pixel. Now you have to write pixel name. Go to my website and copy Checkout Web Pixel code. Then paste here and click on Add Pixel. Select all, then delete. Then go to my website and copy the code. And paste here. Then you have to enter GTM ID. Go to Google Tag Manager. Copy this GTM ID. Now paste the code here. Then click on Save. Now scroll down and click on connect. Then click again on connect. Now the code is connected. Go to Google Tag Manager and check it is working or not. Click on preview. Now enter website's URL. Then click on connect. Now see Tag Assistant connected. Scroll down and click on the product. Scroll down and click on Add to Cart and click on Checkout. Then see tag is connected. Now see tags fired. If you have any question or need any help, please contact with us. Thanks for watching.